how to create a QR code for Wix website. So hey guys, today in this video, I'm going to tell you how you can create a QR code for your Wix website. So the first thing for that you need to do is you need to log into Wix.com. And once when you do it, you can see that you will be redirected here on this dashboard. And here from this dashboard, you can see there are a lot of features that you can use right here. So in order to create a QR code for your website, you need to click on this link here. So it's going to take you to, the live version of your website. So this is the website and we can copy this right here. Anyhow, we have copied the link of the website. Now what we need to do is we need to go to Google and search for QR code generator. And we can open anyone that we like. I'm going to go with this one. And we need to paste the link of our website right here. And it's going to create a QR for us. Let's just sign in first. Okay, so we're going to register here first. Yes, get started. I don't know why they consume time so much. So here you go. Our QR has been created, but let's just create another one. And it's going to be created right away. So here you go. We can also select the design of the QR that we like and change the design from right here. As well, we can choose the frame and the design. We can also add a logo if you want. Here you go. And we can click download and it is going to be downloaded right away. And when it has downloaded, it will be downloaded as an image. So we can go here, we can add an element, image, upload image, and from the downloads of our folder, we can upload that image right away. Downloads. Here you go. We just have to wait for some time until it uploads it. Here you go. And we can add it to page. And voila. That's how we do it. That's how we make a QR code of our website. Now, this is the QR code of our website. We can use it anywhere we like. So that was it. I hope you found this video informative. Please do like the video and subscribe to the channel to see more content like this. I'll see you in the next one.